crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Today I'm doing my design team project for the Paper Bee Creative. I will be using the kit Virginia Bluebell that is available on her Ko-fi site, and I will have this information down in the description box. And don't forget, here on the YouTube channel in February and March, I am doing a giveaway. All the giveaway information will be down in the description box, but be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I put up any new content. And be sure to like and comment to be entered into the giveaway. Anytime I start a new project, I always like to pick my ink colors that I might be using with this project. So I'm going through my swatch book here and picking out inks that go well with this Virginia Bluebell kit. And I decided on Faded Jeans in this Distressed Oxide color. And to age this project a little bit, I decided to also use the Vintage Photo. For my project for February, I decided I wanted to create a mini journal/birthday card for a lovely friend of mine. And here I'm just picking out the pieces that I wanted to use from the kit, and I decided I wanted to make some sentiments using the Distress Oxide Faded Jeans and some stamps that I had. Now I'm going to go through the kit and pick out what I want to use for my cover and for the inside pages of the journal and birthday card. I've cut out some pale blue cardstock as my backing papers that I'll be using for the card front and back, and I'm going to be attaching the images from the Paper Bee kit onto these to make the front and the back of the birthday card. I'm going to be using the journal pages that are in the kit to put on the inside and make a little mini journal inside this birthday card. I decided I wanted to put images on the front and the inside of the card. So I'm going to be gluing my images with a glue stick onto my cardstock to make the front and the back of the birthday card. Now I want to work on putting the pages for the journal together. I'm gluing the journal pages front and back together to form a little booklet. And I want to back my tags that I'll be using inside this little journal. So I'm using images from the kit to back these tags. Once those tags are backed, I just use my scissors to trim around the tag to get a clean edge. And I'm going to use a little vintage photo ink here to distress around the edges of each one of the tags. And I also distress around the edges of the inside pages of the card. I want to add a little ribbon trim to the front of my card here, so I'm going to attach this with a little bit of Fabri-Tac. Now I'm going to work on putting the little card together. I'm going to use backing paper from the kit to create a spine for the book. I want this to be a little thicker, so I'm taking the paper, folding it in half, and then gluing that together. I'm going to score the center of that paper to make my spine. I want to distress the edges here before I glue this in. Once I've got the spine attached to the card, I want to add my images for the inside of the card. Unfortunately, in February, I did come down with the flu, and it made making projects a lot more difficult. I did manage to finish this birthday card for my dear friend's birthday, but I wasn't able to film it. I am going to add some still photos of the finished project here. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell to be notified anytime I put up any new content. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.